Yo guys, it's me JC. I am back with another video. This one is the Xiaomi AirDots, and I've been really wanting to get my hands on this for almost 2 weeks now. The bad thing is that I ordered my first three. Yes, I ordered this 3 times, and those 3 suppliers who were just drop shippers, and they weren't really having any inventory until, well, the influx of this being sold goes down. The person where I bought my previous Xiaomi device, Michael, posted that he already has the Xiaomi AirDots. So I went ahead and just canceled my order from eBay, Shopee, Lazada, whatever, Banggood, and I just went ahead and bought it directly from him here in YouTube. And I'm really excited to get my hands on this because, man, the first fully wireless earphones from Xiaomi. We're gonna know if it really lives up to the hype or it's just another things that they're gonna go ahead and skip. So let's open this package up with my handy dandy scissors. So the purpose of this video is just to get an initial impression of this Xiaomi AirDot. I will be making a full review of this, I think, after a week or so. But for now, let's just see what's in the box and what you guys are gonna get if you decide to buy this out of curiosity. There's the white box of the Xiaomi we all know and love. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm really curious on what it actually looks like in person, not on the videos and not on the press photos and the renderings. So okay. Damn, that's white. Looks like a hospital. I was really hoping they'd offer this in black because white really gets dirt. Here's what you'll get. Extra earbuds right there. And a manual that no one actually reads. Oh, look at that. Oh! Satisfying. And it's really small, so I can't do a comparison with my phone because my phone is as big as my face. This little container right here has a USB plug because this is gonna be the one that will be charging these 2 earbuds here. Pretty sturdy, feels premium. I got this for around 2,500 pesos. I think the SRP is around $60. I think $60 or $50, but really amazing. So let's get into the earpiece itself. The charger, of course. So here's the actual device. I hope you guys can see that clearly, and that actually indicates that the device is charging. So I think there's a little bit of charge here. Let's go ahead and pair it with my phone. How do I pair this? There's no button here to indicate anything. Should I put it out? Oh, it's here. You just put it out and it automatically show the Bluetooth of the device. Okay, let's pair that one. Should I pick up both one? So they actually advertise this to automatically pair when you put it when you get it out the box or this case. So let's go ahead and test that. I'm gonna be putting it back here to the device. So is it connected? Oh, it's connecting. It's automatically connecting. Now that's out of the way, let's go ahead and actually try this on. Let's go ahead and open Spotify. Okay. Hopefully this fits my ear out of the box because... Wow, that actually fits well. Am I shouting? Wow, it's really there. It's not going out, is it? Can you see that? Oh man, it's not going out. Let's try some music because what use is an earphone if it can't play music? Wow, what is it? Oh, wow. Okay, something. Let's try something. I'm gonna turn on the volume. So I'm putting it. It's on max. Wow, the bass! I was not expecting that. Wow, that's actually good. Let's see if there's something in the settings that I can change. Let's try a different one. Wow, I think it's loud enough for the mic to pick up, but it doesn't really make sense. Straight out of this thing, man. This sounds really good, and it's really compact, and you really can't feel it. You're gonna be confident on wearing them because they're not gonna fall off. Which is great because you don't have to worry about losing them because they're so small. I really have nothing to say. For the price, it's actually really, what do you call this, sulit. Okay, so I think I've had enough of listening to this for a while. But my first impressions is The base is actually there. If you try the Xiaomi Piston B3 HD Pro, I think it's up there with that kind of with that earphone. So yeah, the bass is really good. It's really punchy. The mids here are okay, and the lows, you can say it's average. It's not that bad, but it's also not that good. For reference, if the Xiaomi Mi Piston Pro HD 3, I really don't know. It's a really long name. It lacks a little on the mids, if I could say that. Okay, for what you're getting, the convenience of it being truly wireless earphones, this small, this convenient, and also the container, actually they advertise to charge this for an additional 4 more hours of listening time. And the convenience, man, combined with the price on what you're getting, this is actually a steal. I can actually say that this is worth getting. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. If you dislike this video, you guys know what to do. If you have any comments, suggestions, recommendations, and questions regarding these earphones, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. Don't forget to hit subscribe and that bell icon. I will see you guys on the next video.